Hey you guys, I'm going to tell you about each item that is in Michelle's kit here. This is a Christmas tree kit that we've done. I want to tell you about each item in it. Is one of the ribbons of the 3 ribbons that we have in the kit. This is a 4-inch. It is a designer ribbon. It has these beautiful diamonds down the middle of it. It is a DuPonty that is a red DuPonty, and it's got a gold sheen backing on it. It's got these diamonds down the center of it. It's a beautiful ribbon. It's a 4-inch ribbon. It's a 10-yard roll. Then we have this beautiful, it's like a laser full 1.5 inch. It's just giving you a little bit of contrast that you can put in your tree, do a little something different, do some curls. You could use this, or you don't have to use it, but it gives you a little bit of contrast. It's a beautiful gold. It's got that laser full in it. It's a 1.5 inch. A 4-inch ribbon that's in there. It's a red DuPonty, wired edge, gold back, another really good designer ribbon that we have. It's thick, it shines, it's beautiful. It's got this damask print on it. It's a 4-inch ribbon. 3 of this ball right here, beautiful gold ball. Not too brassy, has all of this glittering around it. It has a little bit of glitter, and then it has the sequins that are on it. This is a 6-inch ball, and we have 3 of those in the kit. I have this beautiful sequin ball. It's got chunky sequins on it. It is not going to come off. You can rub across it. It's not going to come off on you. It's really thick, crusted 5-inch ball, and I think there is 4 of these in your kit. A 4-inch red ball that is just like the gold ball that we've done. This is a 4-inch. It is a red shiny ball with glitter and sequins around it, and you have 6 of those in your kit. We have a tinsel full red ball here, and we have 9 of this one in there. It is a 4-inch ball as well. Beautiful red color. You can use this on all different things. You're going to have 9 of those in there. I have these 2 finials. They're about a 9-inch long finial. We have 3 gold, 3 red in there. So when you're placing these, giving those different counts on there, those odd counts are great. This is a beautiful finial, matte finish on those. There's 5 of this poinsettia in there. It's a velvet poinsettia, beautiful berries in the middle of it. It's a very good size. It's large, so it's a beautiful, beautiful red glitter on the edges of it. Beautiful statement, gonna make a big statement in there. I have this spray right here. We have, it's called a peacock fern spray, and we're having 9 of those in there. You can spread it out, make it a little bit fuller. It's a beautiful spray, gold in it. Then we have this long spray here that's great for going out the top of your tree. I think we have 9 of this. We have 9 of this long, beautiful spray right here. I love this bay leaf. This is a red bay leaf that we have. It's a glittered bay leaf. It's in the red. Beautiful coverage, gonna lay beautiful into the tree, and there is 9 of these. This fern spray. This is a great fern spray. It spreads out. It has 3 fern leaves on it in the red. Quality, beautiful, glitter, gorgeous piece that you're going to use. It's going to be timeless. You can use forever, and there is 9 of those in the kit. A good one that we have had in the past that people have loved, absolutely loved in all the colors. This is a red eucalyptus. So eucalyptus, some of that eucalyptus is really, really hot. This is a glittered eucalyptus piece. It's red, so it looks real classy. Very, very good piece. We have 9 of these in there. Gold lycopodium. The lycopodium has been a popular one in the past. This is fans out, so it's a good lay-in piece. You could stand it up, but it's a good lay-in piece to give you layer and texture in your tree. We have 9 of these in there as well. We have a stunner for all designers that they have loved that is almost like a larger ornament. This piece right here is a large piece that kind of fans out. It's got these balls on it, so it's almost like an ornament in itself when it's laying in there, a larger ornament. We have 6 of these in each kit. This is a red with all these balls on it. So this is standing out as an ornament, not just a spray, but it can be used in several different ways. We have this glittered curly spray. Okay, so this can be done as fun, but this also can be done as something that is going to give you a little bit of texture to come out, but keep it short and simple. coming out from behind your poinsettia just to make it look like a leaf. But this is a red glittered curly spray, and we have 6 of those in the kit as well.